I got some exciting news from Storyland in Glen, New Hampshire. So Storyland is a theme park for kids, one of the best kiddie family amusement parks in New England. But they get a new water attraction for 2024 called Lagoon. It'll be 10,000 ways get wet. This nice fun attraction. This is the brand new logo. I love the logo of it. It'll be good over time next year. This water attraction gonna be a splash pad water attraction. It's gonna be it's like Castaway Island's rainforests, but it's like a little smaller. It's a fun splash pad. So this is the splash pad gonna look like. There'll be a whole bunch of slides, a lot of water sprays, get wet, so it'll be a fun time at Storyland next summer. The trash is gonna be farm themed. There's gonna be cows, roosters, chickens. This year Storyland gonna celebrate 7 years of fun. So let's celebrate 70 years at Storyland next summer of 2024. And that's Storyland, Lagoon, coming to New England, 2024.